There is something I want to teach you about take profit. There is what we call take profit. For example, wewe hautakuwa na kazi ngumu, kazi yako tu ni kufungua kulogin. Ukisha login, I sent you the signals. Na nikituma signals, for example, naweza sema today we are buying or we are selling. We are buying or we are selling Australian dollar. This is Australian dollar. Utamake sure umeclick hapo. Utamake sure umeclick hapo. Imekuletea these currencies So imekuleta these currencies of which we have Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. We have Australian dollar against Swiss francs. CHF stands for Swiss francs. CHF, it stands for Swiss francs. Hii hapa hivi. It stands for Swiss francs. So if I tell you that we are doing this, we are buying on this currency. Like for example, number one, we are buying Australian dollar against Canadian dollar. Make sure umeclick hapo, then imekuletea hizi pairs. They are here. There are so many, and you can scroll them. There are so many pairs there, and once ukisha click, like make for example now umeclick the Australian dollar, this one here, itakupatia that one there, itakuleta the Australian dollars hapa hivyo, Australian dollar against Canadian dollar. So this is now the most important part. This is the most important part. Nataka uangalie sana. So let me take you kwa currency ambayo like I have 4 currencies running here. Kuna Australian dollar. Sorry, there's a problem with the network. Yeah, there is Australian dollar. There is a Australian dollar against Swiss francs. Kuna Canadian against CHF. CHF is Swiss francs. Then you have Australian dollar against Japanese yen, this one here. So now if you have already done business with this Australian dollar, kama tumesha, kwa mfano nimekuambia we are buying, because here you can see buy, we can see sell. Now we have already bought. Let's assume we have bought on this currency, this one, this is the Australian dollar against Canadian. So if we have already done business with that, there is something now I want you to do. I will tell you put a take profit. What do I mean by take profit? Take profit simply means kuna place utaset mahali ambapo graph zikianza kurun, hiyo graph ikifika hapo itafunga, whether you are online ama hauko online. Ukikuja tu ufungue simu yako ama ufungulie laptop yako, utapata uko na profit. So for example, let me go to kwa zile ambazo already they are running. So you come here hapa chini. Hizo ni trades zako ambazo zina run. Zangu ni 4. So you click there, zinakufungulia. Zikisha kufungulia like that, for example, let's go to this one. Let's go to the Australian dollar, this one here, nifungue. So what you'll do, you will make sure that you click, just click hapo, just click there. Ukisha click hapo itakuleta hapo. Nataka understand hii part sana, because this is the most important part. Ukisha click hapo itakuleta hapa. Make sure umeclick hapa kwa edit. Ukisha click kwa edit itakuleta place kama hapo. So once imekuleta hapo, make sure umeclick hapa conditions for make sure imekuleta hapa for the condition for selling. Let me just do something again. Make sure imekuleta hapa for condition for selling. Once imekuleta kwa condition for selling, then you click. After clicking, unaona pale kuna conditions for closing a trade. There is a take profit, there is a stop loss, there is movement. So what I want you to do, you'll be coming here where it is written condition for closing. You come here, this one here, for closing. So now you will go back to the market where you want to see that your take profit will be set. You just go back, yeah, just go back like that. Then confirm. Like now this Canadian, for example, maybe I've bought, like I can see this one, this market is running. So what I'll do, you will come here. You will come here, click there. After clicking there, make sure you click this brush here. You click the brush, then it will bring you to these various writing tools. So I want you to take this part, this line. You click. Just click the line and it will give you this. It will give you this green line. Once it has given you that green line, take it up. Just highlight it here and bring it here. For example, we want our take profit to be here. So you can see, I don't know if you are seeing something, look at these numbers here. Those numbers here. 0.97900. We are assuming that we are doing business here, and we want, because this market, it is on uptrend, it's coming up. We are assuming that now this market itakuja ifike mpaka wapi? Hapa. So we are going to set our take profit there. These numbers here, you are seeing here, these numbers here, 0.97 blah blah. They are the numbers that you will go back to that market. You will go back to that market. You will click, you'll come here, you'll come there, and you click. We were on Australian dollar against Canadian dollar. Now, yeah, we were on Canadian dollar. Sorry, we were not there. Okay, let's assume it's there. So we shall click there. Then we come and click there. We click there. Then we come and click here. Condition for closing. This is where we shall click inside there. Don't apply, just click. After clicking, it will bring here. Now those numbers 0.9 that you saw, they are the numbers that will come and insert here. Insert there and apply. Insert there and apply. Once you have done like that, it will be indicated on your market price that you have put a stop loss. So anytime we are offline, like now here on this market, I indicated this one here. Take profit. I'm supposed to take profit when that market reaches 0.57052. I hope I've made myself clear. So we shall be using take profit. Anytime I tell you we are buying or we are selling, just use the procedure that I've guided through. I've guided you through to put a take profit. That is the most important part. Ciao.